If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to never miss any update from our channel. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to never miss any update from our channel. Hello guys, welcome to Gadget Bars, and today in this video I will be installing the AEX ROM for the Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime. So install this ROM, first we need to go to wipe, then advanced wipe, then select Dalvik system cache data and just swipe to wipe. We are done, and now go to install and select the zip file. So I have done a couple of modifications in this ROM because while installing this ROM I have got the error 7 while installing this ROM, and to remove this error the solution will be provided in the description box, so just follow the steps. And you can search in YouTube also, like how to remove the error 7 from while installing this any kind of ROM. Like it's frequent in most of the cases this error 7 happens, so no need to worry. And just swipe to wipe, and so it's now installing. So I'll be back after installation is done. And as you can see, the installation is done, and now we will just reboot the system. I'm not installing the GApps because it will be too long. This video will take too long, so that's why in my case. And that this is not my primary phone, and yeah. So let me just see the boot animation. So that's the boot animation of AEX ROM, and currently it will be taking some time, like 2 to 3 minutes. And the installation is done, finished, and let me just check how it's. So typical Android Pie style, and let me just check the settings. Everything's look good, and digital well-being is also provided, which is pretty good. Okay, it's not working, I guess I have not installed the GApps, that's why. And it's running on the Android version P, which is 9. Yeah. Okay, let me check the camera if it's working. Hello. Yeah guys, the camera is working, and it's the default Google camera, and everything is working fine. Let me just check my Wi-Fi if it's detecting or not. Yeah, my Wi-Fi is also working. And okay, and regarding the performance, I need to test this. And what are the other things, let me just check. And here's the extension, which means we can customize everything like navigation bar, etc, etc. I have enabled the navigation bar, and here's a smart bar. Okay, so in terms of looks, this looks good, and it's Android Pie, so that's a really good thing. Like developers are still supporting this device, which is so old. And yeah, so that's it for the video guys. Hope you like it, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.